This video reviews the Trac 8UB assembly procedure. Recommended tools. Step 1. Remove the product from the packaging. Remove the rear mast shroud and set aside. Step 2. Route the cable bundle through the beauty ring and up through the mast, then install the mast onto the frame. Secure fasteners and torque to 33 foot-pounds. Step 3. Install the set screw and torque to 10 foot-pounds. Step 4. Pull outward on the pop pin and install the seat post assembly into the frame, then secure the fasteners. Step 5. Drape wires from the mast out the back. Place the display against the weldment, ensuring the bottom is below the inductive charging lip, and then loosely fasten. Step 6. Connect the power, data, ground, heart rate, embedded RJ45 if on an embedded display, and inductive charging cables. Refer to the decal on the inner back display plastic for routing pathways. Tuck unused cables back into the mast weldment. Fully tighten the display fasteners. Step 7. Snap the back display plastic on. Step 8. Reinstall the rear cover and tighten all the fasteners. Step 9. Assembly complete. Connect power if using an embedded display to power on. Refer to the 2025 LED startup video for registration, Wi-Fi connection, and software update procedures, or the owner's manual for further setup and use options.